Vani, today, surrounded by our best friends and family, I get to promise to be your partner forever. And I remember looking into your eyes at one moment and saying, I could stay here forever. If this is what life looks like with you, I'll be the happiest man in the world. And no matter what life brings, I promise this. I will love you with my whole heart, faithfully, endlessly, and without hesitation. Aap meri duniya ho, aur main hamesha tumhara rahunga. You are my world, and I will always be yours.
Trevor John Steiner, I love you. Since you're a scientist and love facts, let me tell you why. The day I met you, our first date, was magical. I knew I wanted to marry you the day I realized I'd spend all day, every day with you, even when we're old and bored. Thank you for being you. Thank you for coming into my life and building the beautiful world with me. Trevor John Steiner, I love you with all my heart.
Take Vani to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do you part.
I do.
Vani, do you take Trevor to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do you part?
I do.
I would now like to wish both of you, Trevor and Vani, a life full of happiness, growth, learning, and may you both stay blessed always. So proud of you guys. So happy for you. Thank you.
Vani and Trevor, with your vows, your 7 firas, and the garland of love now binding you, you have woven together a story only the two of you can tell. And now, surrounded by everyone who loves you, I'm honored to pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride!
It's really something special to see the blend of cultures and families as we come together to celebrate Vani and Trevor. Vani, you look great. You brought such warmth, intelligence, and laughter into Trevor's life. You're a welcome addition to this crazy family, and we're happy to have you.
Ever since she met Trevor, I can clearly understand after meeting him why so, because he has been the calming factor in her life. He's the sweetest person, and we're so glad to have him in our family and can't wait to spend more time with him, like chilling with him, and yeah, and have a good time, everyone.
The two of them, seeing them together has just been awesome. But as much as Kim and I tried to do the best to raise them, we got a crew that came out of Minneapolis. You've given them a new family. And then, of course, after meeting Vani, we have no doubt that he's in good shape.